Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, I am Rizza and this is your channel for a productive and sustainable lifestyle. So today's video is suggested by Angela's Graymatter. She's a student and she wants to know kung ano nga ba yung mga affordable na zero-waste alternatives for students. And speaking of zero waste, we upload zero-waste productivity and skincare videos every week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button dito pala yun, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already so you get notified when a new video is up. Tip number 1 is to use everything that you have. Hindi mo naman kailangan bumili agad in one go kasi of course, mahal talaga yon. So use up everything kung ano yung nasa bahay nyo. For example, pwede kayo magdala ng sarili nyong spoon and fork. Next is tumbler. Hindi nyo naman kailangan bumili ng napakamahal na tumblers. Meron sa Shopee mga 200 plus lang or sa department store na mga mura lang as long as mare-reuse nyo siya at hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng plastic bottles. Third naman is mga toiletries. If meron pa kayong mga tira na conditioners in the middle of your zero-waste lifestyle switch, hindi nyo naman kailangan itapon na lahat ng mga conditioners and shampoos nyo. And it actually defeats the purpose of doing zero waste kasi sayang yung conditioner, shampoos, etc. and toiletries na nasa inyo. So use up everything you have first, and again, you don't have to buy everything in one go. Tip number 2 is to drop your aesthetics. Okay, I get it. Sobrang nakaka-tempt talaga mag-Pinterest and Instagram with the zero-waste lifestyle. Pero again, this will again tempt you to buy and buy things that you don't need. Tip number 3 is to make your own. Kung magagawa nyo naman sa bahay, hindi nyo na kailangang bumili. For example, yung mga reusable cotton pads, pwede mo siyang gawin sa bahay. Pwede kang maghanap ng mga tela na hindi nyo na ginagamit. You cut it into a circle and then tahin nyo na lang. Imbes na magpapadeliver ka pa, which will of course incur delivery fees, or pupunta ka pa ng mall or ng bazaar, it will just add up to your carbon footprint. Next tip is to know that it's okay to rent or borrow stuff. Tayong mga Pinoy, may stigma na kapag kunwari may pupuntahan tayong event, party, debut, kasal, parang lagi dapat bago. Gusto ko na ma-incorporate natin and paalala sa inyo na okay lang naman humiram at okay lang din naman mag-rent. Una, makakamura kayo. Next, it's very sustainable. You can either borrow from a friend or raid your mom's or sister's closet. Tip number 5 is go to ukais. Of course, this is my favorite. Kung kailangan nyo nga talaga ng clothes, ng shoes, ng bags, whatever, go to your local ukais. This is the best and sustainable option right there instead of going to the fast fashion brands. Last but not the least, tip 6, do not buy what you don't need. Tempting talaga actually na mag-shopping lalo na pag sale, but always ask yourself 100 times. Kailangan ko nga ba talaga to? Meron ba ako nito sa bahay? O magagamit ko ba to ng pangmatagalan? So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned a thing or two. And remember na mas importante na financially stable ka muna before you completely go zero waste. You can choose one area of your life to go zero waste and then go ahead and transition pag kaya mo na. Again, every single effort that you do towards your goals matter. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Instagram, and sometimes it's very cheap. Tama ba yun? Ano bang sinabi ko kasi hindi ko maalala? Isa pa.